Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Fairway Mortgage account. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar, search for Fairway Mortgage Login. Search for the official page of Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation and click on it. It will lead you to the official page of Fairway Independent Mortgage. Now click on the email, click on password, enter your email, then enter your password, then click on sign in. This way you can successfully get signed in to Fairway Mortgage account. Now if you have any kind of trouble signing in, click on the link, write down your email and click send. This way you can recover your password or your problems of signing in might be solved. This was a video on how you can log in to your Fairway Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.